Hi, good morning. This is the amazing invoicing system. It helps everybody ready for the mySST era for training industry. So what this invoice systems have right is the 4 items right here. So let's go to one. Customer details. So let's say I have these two informations and I want to transfer it to the invoice systems, right? So let's say here's this. So R&D just click on these buttons. It goes here. I will go to this. I go invoices. It's right here, right? So let's say all these things, right? So now I can just key in the data inside here, and then I can edit the rows, right? It's just like what you do on these things as well, right? Now, more importantly is that right. I have these invoice numbers right here. So it's 1858, right? And then I'll just need to click on this button here, right? So I click on this 1858, right? And watch this, right? Let's say now you are in this new one, so it's 1859, and you can see the invoice numbers right here change as well. And finally, we will generate this PDF files, right? We can generate this just on the fly, right? Just click on this, and it's done, right? And all we need is just go to here, and then look at these right here, right there. So you can see that this is the invoices. Now the same goes to doing the invoices system, the receipt, and if you like these, right, we just click on these buttons, and that invoice is attached, and so this one goes on, right? So this is really written in this, and you can just send it with your Outlook, and just click send. It will send it to this person, right? And also it has highlighted high importance, and the options you request a read receipt. So all this is already done automatic for you, right? So how much time will you save it, right? So not only that, right, we can go to the customs defense. Now let's say that Alibaba has paid you, right? You want to issue a receipt, right? So you just select this and click on these receipt buttons, and you can see that it's for Alibaba, right, and so on, right, and so forth, right? So we have this Excel class, and then the same things right here. We can also change it to we add the buttons again, right? So 1163, you click on the PDF, and we generate this receipt, and we can just click on this email receipt, and again it's 1163, right? See, 1163 is these receipt, right? And let's take a look. It's better as this same information, right, that we show here. So this is 1163. This is the information right here. Yeah, it works. Just 2000 decimal, right? So close or tap, and we come back here, right? So now if you want to change the, say that your company is not creative wise, all you need is come here and change it to maybe your company is called Amazing Resources, right? So you can just change that, right? So then the receipt number is this, and again we click on this PDF, we generate another one, and we click the email receipt, and you can see that now it's AR Amazing Resources number hot, and there you go, right? There you go. So we have this, the file name has come with this, and who is the client, where it's come from, right? All this is generated on the fly, right? How much time you can save, right, on doing this, right? And thank you for watching this, right? And if you're interested to have these tools, right, please fill up the Google Forms, and we'll contact you soonest. Thank you. So already imagine, right? So let's just go through one more time, right? So when you purchase these systems, right, you have this quick ways to invoice, right? Oh yeah, one moment, right? You can also have the quotations as well. Also with this quotations, right, we can enter this data here, and you see you have these things, right? And then we can if you want to go to the next line, you just come to this here and you press alternate, enter, and you can say this is amazing deal, right? And is only for amazing people like you, right? So yeah, so forth, right? So that is the tools that we are offering here. You can change your you just need to change one time of the company names, right? Put your logos, right? All this is just the simple Excel tools, right? And if you have difficulty in do that, let us know as well, right? I will come and support you, right, via the Skype as well. So thank you for watching one more time, right? And more important, watching does not help you to save your time, right? It's just having these tools will actually save you time, right? And that's it. And for information, right, if you're interested to learn the tools that behind these, right, and which is called the macros, right? You can see this is the things that help you, right? We also have this macro class that you can come and attend as well, right? So you can generate other tools that you find that is useful. And thanks for watching once again. Hey, have an amazing year 2019. So we should save more time in this mySST era. Automate your invoice quotations and receipt systems. Thank you.